Looking to push your PC's performance beyond the usual limits? CORSAIR Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5 memory delivers the speed and power your high-end system demands. With DDR5 technology, you get faster frequencies and larger capacities that keep pace with today's multi-core CPUs, meaning smoother gaming, quicker rendering, and seamless multitasking. It's the upgrade your rig has been waiting for. I've experienced firsthand how DDR5 memory changes the game. The onboard voltage regulation, managed through CORSAIR's intuitive iCUE software, makes overclocking more precise and stable than ever. No more guessing or risking system crashes, just fine-tuned performance at your fingertips. Plus, the patented DHX cooling system keeps temperatures low by actively cooling both the memory chips and the PCB's ground plane. Even under heavy loads, my system stayed cool and reliable, which means longer sessions without slowdown or overheating worries. Beyond raw power, the Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5 stands out with its sleek, durable design. Crafted from forged aluminum with die casting and anodization, it complements high-end builds with a premium look and feel. The 12 ultra-bright CAPELLIX RGB LEDs on each module light up your setup with vibrant, customizable effects that sync perfectly across your system via iCUE. It's a perfect balance of performance and style that makes your PC truly yours. What really seals the deal is the custom Intel XMP3. 0 profiles. You can save and switch between profiles tailored for specific apps or tasks, optimizing efficiency without sacrificing speed. The hand-sorted memory chips and custom high-performance PCB ensure every module delivers consistent, aggressive timing and stable overclocking potential. This isn't just memory, it's a precision tool designed to get the most out of your build. If you're ready to elevate your system with memory that blends speed, stability, and stunning aesthetics, the CORSAIR Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5 is worth a look. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating, it offers what you need to get more done, faster and cooler. Try it when you're ready to take your PC to the next level.